Welcome to satellite campuses comprise over 600,000 total square feet, all located in Marietta, a small southeastern Ohio town along the Ohio River. Our raw material processing facility takes post-industrial plastic scrap from other manufacturers, diverting it from landfills and breathing new life into these materials for other uses. Scrap materials come in many forms, like machine purges, rejected finished product, offcuts or trim, just to name a few. Our technical services team evaluates these materials for cleanliness, processability, and performance. After materials have passed inspection, they are separated by material type, color, and durometer. In most cases, the recycling process starts with one of our 4 grinding lines to break down the scrap materials into smaller, irregular shaped pieces. Once ground, lots are processed through our proprietary blending operation to achieve the targeted performance specifications. The main compounding facility houses 3 compounding lines totaling over 100 million pounds of annual capacity. Super sacks of blended lots are delivered to the mixer, first melted down to a homogeneous slurry, then receiving additives to adjust color, durometer, specific gravity, and other physical properties. The Dimex difference is the decades of experience that our compound operations team has in taking unwanted scrap from multiple feed streams and turning it into a highly engineered material that performs as well, or in many cases better, than virgin resins. The final part of the process is pelletizing. Compound drops into an extruder and is pushed through a die and underwater cut for consistency of size and shape, and then spun dry. Materials for the AST business are loaded into Gaylords, then shipped to other manufacturers to help them meet their own cost savings and/or green initiatives. Materials that will remain for internal use are loaded into super sacks and staged for loading at the finished goods profile and sheeting lines. Finished goods comprise approximately 75% of the company's top-line revenue, and that number is growing every day. Branded products like EasyFlex no-dig edging, GrillTex grill mats, and Evolve office chair mats feature innovation and IP that have established Dimex as a category leader with the world's largest retailers. 2 finished goods rooms in the main facility feature 13 total extrusion lines, 5 sheet extruders capable of producing over 23 million pounds of finished matting annually, and 8 profile extruders capable of producing over 200 million feet and climbing every day. Of the 5 sheet extrusion lines, 3 support rolled goods, primarily serving our industrial OEM matting customers, while the other 2 are focused on cut-to-length products in support of our booming retail matting product business. Investments are underway to efficiently cut down rolled goods and increase the flexibility overall of our sheet production room. The 8 profile lines support both pro and consumer landscape products, including 2 rigid PVC paver lines, 1 traditional beaded top polyethylene edging line, 1 single specialty retail edging line, and 4 high-capacity, high-speed nested retail no-dig lines. Just as Dimex pioneered no-dig edging, our engineers have pioneered manufacturing methods that have positioned the company with the competitive process advantages that are difficult to beat. Nested lines transform 1 profile stream into 2, doubling output at increasingly higher speeds. In 2019, we made a significant capital investment in automation on one of our nested lines that has allowed us to drive efficiencies and remove the manpower constraint of shorter length no-dig. Robotic arms are able to build specifically designed product boxes at high speeds. The 2 streams of product are coiled to a precise diameter in synchronized fashion, then loaded into waiting product boxes and then moved to the next station. From there, a robotic arm with an electronic eye identifies the spike accessory pack on the conveyor, picks it up, and places the correct number of accessory packs into each box. Box flaps are folded and taped and then queued for case packing. Another robotic arm grabs the completed boxes and carefully maneuvers them snugly into the pre-built master carton. Completed master cartons move through the remainder of the roller conveyor. They're first sealed with packing tape before arriving at the palletization station. Another robotic arm is programmed to build out the pallets with the optimum cubic configuration for maximum efficiency. 2 100,000 square foot warehouses support storage and shipment of finished goods for the company. We've invested in the talent and infrastructure necessary to meet massive daily shipment volumes in excess of $1 million a day, while meeting stringent retailer routing policies and ship windows. Platforms requiring high volume drop ship fulfillment via small parcel shipping. Products leave our facilities headed to retailers, OEMs, distributors, professionals, and do-it-yourselfers all over the country. No matter which category we serve, Our products receive high marks for quality, dependability, convenience, and value. Dimex, we're just getting started.